Alright, it's the morning after Christmas and got a new headlight switch for Pantina. These things are pretty simple to remove. You remove your bezel around the gauge cluster, and then there's a little button here on the bottom of the headlight switch, and you just push in that button and get it to the right spot. And normally it just falls right out. Yep, there you go. You can loosen that nut. And you unplug the connector. It's got a bunch of trash in it. On the back side, you'll see there's that little button I was talking about. You just push that button in and you kind of get it to the right spot. Alright, so you press that button down and you just kind of work with it until it comes out. And there you go. You can take these apart and clean them. The only reason I'm kind of pressed for time right now, so I got a new one, but I'm going to save this one and clean it. And I might even make a video about it later on in the week. So, anyways, we're going to get our new switch. Which the old switch is going to be way better than the new switch anyways. So, there's the switch. I'm going to get it bolted in place. Okay, that's as tight as I'm scared to put it. Get this connector plugged back in. Hopefully all my lights will work now. The problem was when you pulled the switch out, like half the lights would come on, half wouldn't. That one still don't burn, but it's okay. We'll fix that. So yeah, pretty quick and simple install. So the hardest thing about this whole install is getting the headlight switch out, the knob for it. But you push that little button on the back side, and then you take your nut off the front and you unplug your connector, and everything pretty much just goes right back in the way it come apart. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed this short little video on how to do your headlight switch, and if you have any questions or comments, I'll be glad to help you. All right, y'all be sure to like and subscribe and tune in next time for another square body video.